we survived. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. It is a beautiful day. The sun is out, there is no wind, the birds are chirping, and today we're going out on the kayak, baby. I'm pretty excited because my friend Cody, who I've been friends with since I was like a child, lifelong friend, just went and bought him a kayak yesterday, and today we're going out for the first time, his first time, and we're going out on the kayak and gonna go fishing. It's gonna be an awesome day. I need to quickly load up my kayak real quick, and then we'll head out to Lake Meredith. But I do got some bad news. The coronavirus is finally taking its effect on where I live. Not necessarily where I live. It does affect me. But last night at 12 a.m., Amarillo, Texas has went on lockdown. So they cannot leave their house unless it's something important, like going to the grocery store, getting gas, or going to your job, and that is it. So I don't live in Amarillo. I live in Fritch, which is about 45 minutes away from Amarillo. But today as well in Fritch, they shut down the fishing docks. So I can no longer fish on the docks. I made probably 10 videos or so in the last 2 weeks of fishing on the docks, and I can no longer do that. They shut them down, all because of the coronavirus. Now the lake isn't shut down. I can still go to the lake and do some bank fishing, and the boat ramps are still open as well. So I can still go on the kayak, thankfully, but no more dock fishing for me. I think it said it's gonna be shut down for like 30 days, but of course they're gonna update us on that. But it sucks, man. I was having a lot of fun doing some night fishing on the docks, and I can no longer do that. But it is important. The coronavirus is very deadly. I don't want to get none of my family members sick. I don't want to get sick, so it's a good thing, but it sucks. Like I said, we can still take the kayaks out, so that is what we're doing today. I'm pretty excited. I love being on the kayak. Even if I don't catch fish, being on the kayak is just awesome. It's also awesome that my friend Cody just got one, so I cannot wait. So I'm gonna quickly load up my kayak and we're headed to the lake. Guys, I just bought this dolly for my kayak. So when I first bought the kayak, I did want a dolly, but I was like, do I really need one? And I didn't get one for the longest time. Well, I finally bought one, and it was the best decision I've ever made in my life. If you're questioning getting a dolly for your kayak, just get it. This was like 40 bucks at Academy, and it is well worth it. Save your back, use a dolly for sure. One-handed, check this out. It is so freaking easy. Well worth the money. Go get you one. I promise you won't regret it. My kayak is like 98 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. It's pretty hard without a dolly, and I did it for a long time without one. But I'm telling you right now, go buy a dolly.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me.
Alright guys, the kayak is on the car, and now we can head to the lake. As soon as I get my kayak on the car, the wind is starting to pick up. It better not. I'm gonna be mad. But I'm about to head to Cody's house, and then we'll head to the lake.
I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide.
Ready to go in? Alright guys, so this is Cody's first time on the kayak, and I remember how this feels. It does not feel good. It's honestly pretty scary. I think once he sits down though, he'll be like, okay, this is awesome. I'll give you the honors of going first. Go first. Here is Cody's new kayak. Aren't you pumped, man? This is gonna be awesome. I cannot wait. So Cody's scared of flipping, and the water is like 48 degrees. It is still very cold, So if he does, it will not be good. I hope he doesn't.
You do.
I know, I honestly don't. I don't want you to flip. So we're gonna go ahead and get in the water. I'm so pumped. This is gonna be awesome. I've been waiting a whole year for one of my friends to get a kayak, and Cody finally got one. Yeah, the water's freezing. I did. Hey, you talked yourself into this. You surprised me and said you're getting one. Hey, what do you think? Is it sketchy?
Yeah.
You said it's pretty sketchy. You got this. Oh yeah, already a professional. Cody's bailing on me already. He's already gone. Oh yeah. Feels good to be out on the lake. I think Cody's already used to it. He's doing pretty good up there. Okay, so right here the water is 56 degrees. So it has come up a little bit since last time. But that's still very cold. When I went to the Blue Hole in New Mexico, the water temperature was 60 degrees. And that sucked. Like, it was freezing. Was not enjoyable, so. But I don't think Cody's gonna flip. He's doing pretty good. I'm gonna go catch up with him. I'll film him. What do you think? You're not gonna flip. This is the spot? Oh, big waves, oh yeah. That's the biggest I've ever taken. Yeah, it really is. If you turn sideways, it'll just coast you. Where's this spot at? Far? Try the fish right in here. It's not so wavy. I think it is too. It's a really windy day. So Cody's pretty brave for coming out here for the first time on his kayak. It's really windy and the waves are pretty big, so the water's really choppy. But we made it to where we want to fish. I don't see any fish on the fish finder though, but we're gonna keep going that way and see what we can find. Not so bad over here. Yeah. It's all dropped. Alright guys, we just made it to this little cove right here. It is a lot calmer. There's no wind, no big waves. So we're gonna fish here for a bit, see what we can catch. I do see a few fish on the fish finder, so that is good. So yeah, now the fun part of fishing. Sorry, you guys are a little crooked. I mentioned making the new GoPro mount earlier. That's why this thing is a piece of crap. My next mod, a new GoPro mount. I thought you said it was a pretty day. Yeah, it was nice earlier. are we breaking privacy? We survived. What did you think of your first time out there? How was it? Scary?
For a minute.
Yeah, that wind sucked. That was probably the worst you could experience though. And you did pretty good. You didn't flip, so now you know you can handle anything.
Definitely need to plug them holes.
Did you bug it all wet? He's all wet. Man, his seat's basically on the hole. Whew, that water's freezing. But that was a good first trip for Cody, I think. I think he enjoyed it. Are you gonna keep it or are you gonna sell it? Hey, he's gonna keep it. Yeah. Good. I had fun. I always have fun though. I just enjoy being on the water. Catching fish or not.